If you have been following me in my lives lately, which I've been doing like on a daily basis, then you realize a certain pattern. I have been showing you different ways that you can create an income online, and that is by either creating templates that you can sell online to coaches and business owners who are busy, or some of them that don't know how to create these templates to grow their businesses using social media. Now, I want to show you how you can turn your knowledge into an online income, and this is by creating a digital product. Part of what I've been talking about is also digital products, but now we want to take it to a notch higher. I want to show you how you can create products like ebooks, you can create guides, landing pages, you can create courses, you can create bundles, and then make money online selling them to people that need them. There is a knowledge or an experience that you have and someone out there needs it. I'm going to take through a bundle that shows you how to create low ticket offers. Now, I want to quickly take you through inside the low ticket vault. This is a product that I've created for you so that you can learn how to create your own digital product. It's a step-by-step guide that will take you through and then give you all the resources that you need to launch. Okay, so we are starting here. Let's get started. So I'm taking you the inside of what my students experience, or rather this is what you'll be able to access. So welcome, you just stepped into the low ticket digital products vault. It's a complete system designed to guide you to build, launch and scale your low digital products and then sell on autopilot. Autopilot means you don't have to manually keep posting and managing your clients. We are going to build a system that will run on autopilot even when you're asleep. Now, this is what if you this person who've ever wondered how to create your digital products and how you can really make consistent income from low ticket products, this system is for you. So why low ticket products? Number one is instant cash flow. No waiting weeks or months to make sales. You'll be able to get clients coming in to buy from you because you're selling a high level product at a low cost. The other thing is easy entry point for customers. People buy low ticket products with less hesitation, as I said earlier. You also get repeat customers and lifetime buyers. A 27 product today can lead to 2,000 clients later. So it's all about delivering quality. Deliver goals to clients and you will win them for lifetime. Then we go to having the right mindset before you get started, because many people overthink and they never launch. You worry so much about whether your low ticket product will be profitable, whether people will buy from you, whether people will be happy with your product. I mean, you worry too much and then you will never launch. Can I tell you that there are people who sell a product at $1 and they make millions and millions of money? Because this is a low ticket product, but it's offering value, and so it attracts a lot of people, and people don't even think twice about buying on such a cost. So you can maximize on the number of people that buy from you and make a lot of money, even than someone who is making or creating a high ticket product. The next thing is learning the small step. That small steps offers or brings in big results. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to have a big audience. You just need to have the confidence to get started. You just need to be willing to learn, even if you don't have that big experience or knowledge about the product that you want to create. So you need to focus on one offer at a time. Consistency. Talk about your products all over and everywhere and every time. Iterate and improve. Launch, test, refine as you go. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is the action that you take. So the other thing is implementation. The only way to see results is to implement what you will learn from this guide and the steps that you're willing to be taking every day. Each step is designed to be simple in this guide, actionable and fast to implement. You'll be able to create real products. You'll be able to have a sales system in place. you will launch and sell quickly. Your challenge. Now you're going to set a date, a launch date. This is where we're starting. We are not going to leave it open. You're going to have a date, maybe a week from now or 2 weeks from now, but have a date. Then follow the step that I'm going to show you. Trust the process and execute everything that you're going to be learning. Commit to action. Your results depend on what you do, not just what you learn. So this is what you're going to learn. Step 1, the fast track product creation method. Then you're going to learn how to package and how to price your products. The third step will be simple sales system, where we set up and automate through a funnel. Number 4 is traffic and selling strategies. And then number 5 is where you scale up, how to stack offers, increase revenue, turn buyers into lifetime customers. Now, if you're ready to get started with a low ticket product, let me show you what more you're going to get from these products. Apart from learning how to create your first product, you're also going to get access of a guide that takes you through the sales system and launching. You also get to learn how to begin selling the digital product. So you also access that guide, and you also access a done for you template via system.io. So you just need to sign up for system.io, and this will automatically load inside your system.io account, and you just edit and to your niche. Then we are giving you support, marketing support. So there are these prompts that you access. You learn about storytelling, you get editable stories, posts, ebooks, MOOCs for you to get started. You get 30 days of caption and templates. You learn about Instagram marketing, you learn TikTok marketing, you learn how to design using Canva, and also how to automate your conversation and sales via Manychat. So these are templates that are in different niches. Let me just show you that you just plug inside your Manychat and edit to fit your niche. To learn more about this package, go to the link in the bio and you'll be able to access this and learn more about what you tend to experience and benefit from signing up for this bundle. I'll see you on the next one.